Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download Spotify to your desktop or laptop. Really easy and simple to do. All you have to do is head over to one of your web browsers and you just want to search for Spotify desktop download. And you just want to click on the spotify.com link right here. It just says free download to your platform. You want to click on that. I'll also throw the link in the description just so it's easier and quicker. But all you want to do here is just click on the operating system that you're using. So for me, it'll be Windows. So I'll go ahead and click on Windows. And then on the bottom, you just want to wait till it's done downloading. And then you want to open up the installation files. And then we'll start to download Spotify here as well and then install it. So we'll just let it do its thing and then I'll explain what to do when it's done. And when Spotify is done here, you now have a desktop version of Spotify on your computer. So you can go ahead and sign up or log into your account. And you'll notice here, if you go to your bar, you'll see the Spotify logo here. And then you could right click on it and pin it to taskbar if you're going to use it often. So when you restart your computer, it'll just be there for you to open up. But anyways, yeah, all you have to do is sign up or log in now and you'll have full access to Spotify. I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to download Spotify to your desktop or laptop. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.